Does anybody else like to have breakfast for dinner or just breakfast for breakfast? I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy breakfast dinner or breakfast with wondra quick mix flour and pillsbury biscuit mix. What you're first going to do is mix pillsbury biscuit mix with a half a cup of milk, and you're going to stir it up, and then you're going to grease a cookie sheet or a pan, and just using a tablespoon, drop the mix onto the pan. It should make anywhere from 6 to 12 biscuits. What you can do is optional. You can cook some plant-based sausage crumbles, or if you are vegetarian, you could do regular breakfast sausage and mix it in with your gravy. To make the gravy, you're going to grab the wondra flour, and first you're going to pour 1 cup of broth into your pan or skillet and heat it through. To make the flour, you're going to whisk 2 tablespoons of wondra flour into a 1/4 cup of cold water, and then mix it into the heated broth, constantly stirring until it starts to thicken up. Right about now, your biscuits should be ready, so you can pull them out, and voila, there you go, a quick and easy breakfast dinner just using your skillet. And thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Thanks.